Tikar and Bamileke people. Welcome to the heart of Africa, Cameroon, the home of the indomitable lions. A country as diverse in its cultures as it is in its landscapes. Cameroon is called African in miniature. Today, we journey into the lives of two of its most captivating peoples, the Bamileke and the Tikar. But there's more to this story, a thread that connects the heart of Africa to the souls of thousands across the globe, as many African diasporans discover ancestral ties to these remarkable cultures through DNA testing. Nestled within Cameroon's western highlands, the Bamileke people are known for their rich traditions, artistry, and vibrant ceremonies. Originating from Sudan or Nile Valley regions centuries ago, they've carved a civilization that stands as a testament to their resilience and ingenuity. Not far, in the Bamenda Highlands, lived the Tikar people, whose history is deeply intertwined with the origins of many ethnic groups in Cameroon, including the Bamileke. Renowned for their artistic talents, the Tikar have contributed immensely to the cultural tapestry of this nation. The Bamileke and Tikar are not just neighbors. They share a deep historical and cultural bond. Their languages, artistic expressions, and social structures reveal a shared heritage that has flourished over centuries. Many of the Tikar people that we DNA tested have Bamileke DNA matches. Both the Bamileke and Tikar peoples share a profound respect for their traditions and ancestors, a common theme across many African cultures. Their societies are organized in kingdoms, each led by a fon or king who plays a crucial role in governance and spiritual matters. Their festivals and ceremonies are vibrant, colorful, and deeply symbolic, showcasing a rich tapestry of music, dance, and storytelling. Known for their richly colored and elaborately designed traditional attire, the Bamileke wear garments that signify status, role, and occasions. Togu, a vibrant and embroidered fabric, is particularly famous. The Bamileke are also renowned for their exceptional craftsmanship, particularly in beadwork and mask making, which are central to their traditional ceremonies. In an extraordinary twist of fate, thousands of miles away, African diasporans are uncovering their roots, with many finding that they share ancestry with the Bamileke and Tikar peoples. This revelation is not just about tracing lineage, but rediscovering a connection to a rich heritage that transcends time and geography. The Tikar people are similarly known for their artistic talents, especially in pottery, ironwork, and mask making. Their traditional attire often features beautifully woven fabrics and intricate beadwork, reflecting a deep connection to their culture and history. As these ancestral reconnections come to light, they forge a bridge between the present and the past, between Africa and its diaspora. They remind us of the indomitable spirit of the Bamileke and Tikar peoples, whose cultures continue to inspire and unite across continents. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery and reconnection. To explore more about Africa's rich cultures and peoples, subscribe to our channel. Please like and share our videos. Until next time, keep the spirit of exploration alive.